Good afternoon, this is activity 1 for English 2. For today, Monday, 1st of November, partly cloudy day, temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. For the day Tuesday, tomorrow, 2 of November, electrical strong, temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. For Wednesday, the 3rd day of November, sunny day and temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. For the day Tuesday, November 4, showers, temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. For the Friday, November 5, scattered storms, temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. Thanks for your time, teacher.